In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Squarespace website domain name. Whether you're rebranding or just ready for a change, we'll walk through the process step by step so you can seamlessly switch to a new domain. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Squarespace account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your main account dashboard. From here, you'll be able to see all the websites you currently manage. Look through the list and click on the website that you're planning to change the domain for. This will open up your site's management area where we can make all the necessary adjustments. Now, with your selected website open, direct your attention to the left side panel. This is your go-to navigation hub within Squarespace. Scroll down until you see the Settings option located in the lower left corner. Go ahead and click on Settings to reveal more options related to your site's management. Within the Settings menu, navigate to Domains and Email. You'll find this section through a simple hover action within the menu. This is where you can manage all domain-related settings, and it's the heart of where our changes will take place. After you've accessed the Domains section, you'll see an option that says Domains. Click on it, and this will take you to a page where you can manage existing domains and purchase new ones if needed. If you do not already have a domain, Squarespace makes it easy to buy one here. Simply click on Get a Domain to review and select available options. However, if you already own a domain name and want to use it instead, you can easily connect it to your Squarespace website. Look for the option that says Use a Domain I Own and click on it. This feature allows you to integrate a domain from another provider with your Squarespace site seamlessly. Once you've clicked on Use a Domain I Own, you'll be prompted to enter your existing domain name. Carefully input the domain you already purchased and double-check for any typos, as accuracy is crucial for setting up your online presence. After confirming your domain name, the final step in this process is to connect your domain. Find the Connect Domain button and click on it. This action will initiate the connection sequence, syncing your website with the newly entered domain name. Squarespace will walk you through any additional configuration that may be required with your specific domain provider. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully changed your Squarespace website domain name. This new address will be instrumental in enhancing your site's visibility and accessibility. Remember, changes may take some time to propagate, so don't worry if everything doesn't update instantaneously. Thanks for tuning in, and happy site managing.